to spread the word about the rights of the child. What makes you happy? What gets you riled? What changes do you want to make to your day? Are there lumps in your mash? Is the wall paint too grey? To tell all who you know about the Commissioner's role, its duties, its powers, its vision, its goal. To take part in 3 special missions every school year, to make sure your messages are strong, loud and clear. Last year you told us all about your daily school meals and the safety of your travels, by foot or on wheels. You made a real difference to how things are run. And to top it all off, you even had fun. So if you want to be a part of our brilliant scheme, come in, you're welcome, you're part of the team.